All right, guys, we're going to show you a quick hack on how to quickly install your double screwed doorknobs. Okay, so come on in. We want to find the middle of our cabinet this way. So you can see I drew a line this way. And then you want to find where your handles go, middle here, and then the bottom, right? So now we're going to measure from the top down. There's about 1 3/8 to the X. And we're going to measure down about 1 3/8 from the bottom and mark a line. We're going to measure that total distance, which is 7 3/4, and then we're going to cut us a board that is the width of our cabinet right here. Okay, so this is the exact width. We're going to go ahead and cut our holes in it, and then we're going to make sure that this fits on there, which we already did. Tracer here, and I put a line in the middle and lines in the middle. So when you're doing a drawer like this one, you can put it right in the middle. We can put this on there and we can quickly drill 2 holes. And then as you can see, we went down the line here, drilled 2 holes, drill 2 holes. Over here, you can see I've got the middle marked out, and you need to put this right in the middle and drill. You just kind of get a little pilot hole started, and then you can pull this off and go on to the next one, and then you can drill all your holes at the same time and be exactly the way it needs to be. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.